Yes, it's Tommy time. Winter's a good time to work on projects away from customers, or over Christmas and New Year is normally a bit quieter. So it's a good time to sort of put together some long-term project work. The idea with the next few days is to get the Tommy put back together as far as we can. We were hoping to build the engine up over the Christmas New Year period, but that plan didn't quite work out because when we got the heads back from the machine shop, the cylinder head faces were a little bit too pitted and we couldn't, in all honesty, use them. So I've been on the hunt for some version 1.2 cylinder heads and have managed to find a pair which are in very good condition. So these will be going to the machine shop to get refaced and get the valves lapped in, and then I can start the build. So this is as far as we've got at the moment. So all the side trims, all nicely refurbed and painted up. Window trims, door handles, all the mechanism there, indicators, all the fixings at the rear. Interior wise, most of that is back in. Carpets are back in. Rear seats. And there's a few bits there to do, like putting the proper steering wheel and the gauges in the center console, and the door cards back in. Under the bonnet, it's all ready for an engine to be dropped back in there, which will be done hopefully later on this month, once the heads come back from the machine shop. Yeah, really pleased with the paintwork on this. It's come up amazing. So not quite as much progress as we'd hoped, but progress is progress, and that's always a good thing. So next episode coming soon, hopefully with an engine ready to put back into the car. So see you soon.